Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll talk about unit deactivation. Deactivation of a unit may be necessary in case it is used for a limited period of a year and doesn't need to be monitored the rest of the time. This feature is only available to users with dealer rights and top-level users. Also, you should know that the function is available only if you use a billing plan with charges for each unit. The consistency is shown in this schematic. Let's look at the example. Firstly, you are to log in the management interface. Here we've got Joe's delivery account with 12 units in it. To deactivate these units, we need to switch the Units tab. Here, click the Unit Deactivation button. Find the units in the list using the search filter. In our case, an account criterion is the most appropriate. Type the first letters of the account. Select the units one by one using Ctrl or with multiple selection using Shift. Also, you can click Select All button to select the whole list of the units. Move these units to the right column using the arrow key. Click OK to save the changes. To ensure the deactivation completed successfully, look through the log at the bottom of the page. To refresh the list of the units, click Search. Now we see the deactivated units are gray now. Also, here we can find the date of the deactivation. Remember, the deactivation lasts only for 90 days. After that period, the units will be activated automatically. Manually, it can be done at any time. To activate the units, just move them to the left column and save the changes. So units are activated now. In case you don't observe the unit deactivation button, you ought to contact the manager. In case you try to deactivate some units, and in the log you see the deactivation of unit service is disabled for its creator, check the availability of services. Firstly, switch the Accounts tab and find your account. Check the billing plan. In our case, it's Standard 1. Then switch the Billing Plans tab and find the Billing Plan Standard. Click on it and open the Services tab. Then scroll down and find the unit deactivation. So we see unit deactivation is disabled, so click on it and make it enable. Now you can try to deactivate your units once again. Remember, the services must be activated in all accounts on higher level of hierarchy. In case you can't find the unit deactivation service, contact the manager to switch on the billing plan with charges for each unit. In case you can't find the unit in the list, it means that you haven't got enough access rights. If you have an opportunity to establish the Edit Connectivity settings, do it. In case you can't activate the access rights by yourself, contact the manager. Thank you for watching. I hope now you can easily deactivate units if it's necessary.